Hello students, I am Neeru Saxena, Assistant Professor IT in the Department of Computer Science. My topic for discussion is logic gates. What are logic gates? These are the devices that implement a Boolean function, that is, they perform logical operation on one or more logical inputs to produce a single logical output. Every terminal has one of the two binary conditions. Either it should be low or it should be high. Low is represented as 0 and high is represented as 1 by different voltage level. There are different types of gates. There are different type of, or we can say there are different type of logic gates: AND, NOR, NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR. We are going to discuss each and every gate in detail. What are AND gates? AND gates are those gates when all the inputs are high, we will get the output as high. That is, when both the input is 1 or all the input is 1, then we will get the output as 1. So if we take two variable, the x, it can be, there will be 4 conditions. Either it can be 1 1, 1 0, 0 1 or 1 1. So we will get output. In the case of 1 1, it will be in the case of 1 1 we will be having 1. Otherwise, in all the cases we will be having 0. It is represented by the symbol. It is that is shown in the figure, and it is also represented as dot. Dot is used to show the AND operation. It can be written as A dot B, and we can say, if we are not going to write a dot over there, even then it will be written as AB, considered as the AND gate. Second gate is OR gate. When one or more of the input is high, then the output will be high. That means when both the inputs in either of the one input is high, that is 1, and we will get the output as high, that is 1. So we will be again having 4 conditions. Either it should be 0 0, 1 0, 0 1 and 1 1. So in the case of 0 0, we will be having the output as 0. Otherwise, in all the 3 cases, we will be having the output as 1. It is represented by the symbol shown in the figure, and it is represented by the plus sign. So it can be represented as A plus B, or plus means OR. But we cannot omit a plus, as we had omitted dot, but over here we have to write plus to show the OR gate. Third gate is NOT gate or negation gate. Sometimes it is called as the inverter. The output is opposite to the input. So we will be having one input. It can be either 1 or 0. The output will be inverse of whatever we had given. That means if we have given the input as 1, we will get output as 0. And if we are going to give the input as 0, then output will be 1. It is represented by the circle and shown in the figure. It is also represented by the bar sign, or it will be invert followed by the item of interest in the bracket, or by the bar drawn over the item being inverted, like A bar or B bar, that means A negation or B negation. Next gate is NAND gate. NAND means and not AND. Not AND means it will be opposite to the AND gate. Negation of AND gate. That means if we are going to have the negation sign that in the figure, that be circle, and circle shown in the figure shows that it is the negation sign. NOT gate, not AND gate, it produces there will be at least one is of the input is high, the output is high. If both the input are high, then the output is low. That means if we are having 0 0, that in 0 0 we will be having output as 0. Otherwise, in the case of 1 1, we will be having, if we are having 1 1, then we will be having the output as 0. Otherwise, in all the cases, we will be having the output as 1. It will be just opposite to the what AND is providing to us. This is a NOT AND gate, which is equal to the AND gate followed by the NOT gate. It is also represented by the A dot B or AB bar. Bar shows the negation of AND gate. Next gate is NOR gate. When any of the input is high, the output will be low. If both the input are low, the output is high. So that means it is not or. Not or whatever the or gate we are having, the negation dot will represent that, in the symbol represent that it is a NOR gate. So if we are having 1 1 as the 1 1 as the input, then we will be having 0 1 0 1 0 1. There will be 4 condition. Out of the 4 condition, 3 condition, wherever the 1 will be there, these cases will show 0. Otherwise, if we are having 0 0, then we will get the output as 1. Last gate is XOR, or we can call it XOR gate. That is also represented as exclusive OR gate. These will all only this will only ever give an output that is high when either or not both the input is high. That means when the opposite inputs are high, one is 1, another is 0, then we will be having the output as 1. Otherwise, we will be, when both the input are 0 0 or 1 1, we will get the output as 1. So we will get the output as 0. So that is 1 1 will give the 0, 0 1 will give the 1, 1 0 will give the 1, and 1 1 will also give the 0. This is the symbol of XOR gate. It is represented by the plus and circle. That is the symbol of XOR gate, where the encircle plus means that it is the XOR condition or XOR operation. Thank you so much.